Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a Christmas tree using only a black pen. Yes, no colors, just pure black pen magic. And here's a tiny cute story for your entertainment. There was a little Christmas tree who was super shy. All the other trees had colorful lights and shiny decorations, but this little tree said, "Nope, I like being simple and stylish in black and white." So today we are going to give this shy tree a beautiful black pen makeover and show everyone that even simple can be super cute. So grab your pens. Okay, sit comfy and let's start drawing together. And we are done. Our little black pen Christmas tree is almost ready. Still shy, still simple, but now super cute and happy because you drew it with so much love. If you like drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section what I should draw next. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep creating, and keep your pants dancing. Bye bye. Bye bye. Merry Christmas to all of you. Mwah.